This is your office. Your commute is a road that doesn't even make it onto the map. Your water cooler is a river. And your work area is 100 kilometers from the nearest town. Out here, the only thing that's going to get you through the day are your wits, your know-how, and whatever you've packed in that truck. See, you can't afford failure. You can't get stuck out here. These are the tools you need to do your job. They're part of you. So come on and make it good. Make it count. Whatever you take it down well. You can't control nature. You can't tame it. But with the right tools and the artistry you've learned over the years, you can shape it and sculpt it and leave your own mark on its great green canvas. When you're cutting wood every day, you need equipment that does what you tell it to. Can you be sure that with Echo in your hand, you'll get the job done? Hell yeah.